to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Edgemead, Faymere, Westercoast, Millcastle, West Wyvern, Starry Loch, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Your attention, please. The 1749 Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. The 1738 service from Stepford Central is delayed by approximately 8 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned.
This train is for Lynn by the Sea.
The 1742
Edgemead.
Stepford Connect service to Stepford Central is delayed by approximately 9 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. The 1741 Stepford Express service to Newry Harbour is delayed by approximately 7 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. The 17